What's up guys, this is Prachi and welcome to my channel SuperWowStyle. Now I know the video has just started, but if you do eventually like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, okay? Now guys, talking about hair removal, we have talked about hair removal in multiple of my previous videos. Today we will specifically talk about waxing at home, or for that matter, I will actually show you a better way to wax, okay? A better way to wax. For this I'll be using the Veet Ready to Use wax strips and guys, there's actually something which I've been using for years, by the way. You might have even noticed this again on my channel. I first discovered this like years ago, and ever since then the Veet Ready to Use wax strips have been one of my favorite hair removal processes or products. Like it's very easy to work with is what I feel. Now if you don't like long introductions, you can just skip ahead to this part, which is precisely where we'll be starting the waxing process. Now before we get to any of that, which kit should you actually try out or pick up for yourself? Personally, because I have dry skin, I use this kit which is specifically designed for people with dry skin. I have also used on occasion this kit for sensitive skin. Then we also have a kit for normal skin. So if you have normal skin, you can actually use that. So you can basically pick and choose depending on what your requirements are. Now I don't know if you have noticed this before or not, but these kits actually come in a pack of 8 and then there's also a pack of 20. The pack of 8 is for half body waxing, so half legs, half hands, or just only legs or only hands, either ways, half body. So the pack of 8 is for half body waxing, whichever way you do it. The pack of 20 is for full body waxing. So again, a lot of this also depends on how you use your wax and things like that, how much body hair you have. So we will discuss all of that today. Now talking about the waxing process, since I have dry skin, like I just said, I'll be using these wax strips for dry skin. Now guys, here's a tip. This is something that I have learned the hard way, and seriously it has helped me so much. Okay, hear me out very carefully. Before waxing, when you know that I'll be waxing today, on that day at least, do not apply any body lotion or any oil. Before waxing, do not apply any body lotion or any oil on that day. Let your skin just be. Okay, it has really helped me a lot. And do you want to use powder before waxing? So I used to think that at salons before waxing, my waxing lady, she applies powder, so even I should do that. What I have actually learned is that this wax, okay, it is basically cool gel wax. Okay, so this wax is cool gel wax, which by the way means that you don't get any burns. Like I said, better way to wax, you don't get any burns, and you also don't need to use any powder. Like I have felt I don't need to use any powder. So the bottom line is your skin should not be oily, greasy, sweaty, and you don't need to use any powder. If you have naturally oily skin, just before waxing, use a little bit of soap, clean your skin really well with soap, and then dry off all the water. After washing your skin with soap, make sure that your skin is completely dry, and then start waxing. Now there are 3 steps that you need to keep in mind: peel, apply, and pull. Okay, peel, apply, and pull. What do I mean by this? So here's my waxing strip, right? I'm gonna first peel it like this. I'll show this to you up close as well. You peel it like this, and here you have it. You have 2 waxing strips in your hand. So I'm just gonna keep this on one side, and let me show you where I'll be waxing. This is how my legs are looking right now. So I will demonstrate this on actual body hair, so it's easier to understand, with actual demonstration. And yeah, so we basically have, like I just showed you, we have 2 strips out of 1 strip. When we peel it off, you get 2 waxing strips. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna place this on the skin. Okay, where we need to wax, just place it on the skin. Rub in the direction of the hair growth. Alright, now we'll hold the skin taut and then pull in the direction opposite to the hair growth. And there we have it, guys. The hair has been removed very well. Now if you're worried about this little patch of wax over here, I'll just show you how to deal with it. But before that, here's a quick before after. There we have it: peel, apply, pull. Now as you can see, the process really does remove very, very short hair as well. If I show you the waxing strip, this is how it looks, guys. So it does remove really short hair as well. Now for the big question, can I use the same strip twice? Yes. In short, the answer is yes. Personally, I've actually used the same strip for 3 or 4 times also. But again, a lot of this depends on whether your skin is oily and greasy or not, whether you have a lot of body hair or not, the thickness of your body hair and things like that, also your waxing techniques. But in short, yes, you can use the same strip twice in my case, I've also used it for multiple times, like 3 or 4 times also, depending on how I've used it. And now going back to that residue wax which we had left behind, let's go and clean that up. So this kit also contains perfect finish wipes. I'm going to take one of these wipes right here, and I'll just show you how it cleans up any residue wax very, very effectively, you know. So, you know, after waxing, a lot of us are tempted to use things like aloe vera gel for skin soothing and things like that. Personally, after using these wipes, the skin just looks so clean and so, you know, perfectly finished. For me, that's like the last step. I don't need to use anything after this. Now, what about the times when you want to wax a smaller patch of skin, like your underarms or a little bit, you know, of hair remaining on some corner of your arm or something? For that, you don't need to use the entire wax strip. You can just cut it off, okay? So I'm just gonna cut this off from the middle today. Mind you, I haven't pulled the strips apart. Right now, I'm just cutting it, okay? After cutting it is when you pull it apart. And then, you know, you have two tinier wax strips, and then you can use it on your underarms or wherever you want to use it. And for the last and final question, which I get a lot on my channel, which is ingrown hair. So personally, guys, you know, what has really helped me, I'll tell you, is exfoliating my skin. As a routine, I try to exfoliate twice a week, and I have seen considerable difference, okay? So you can try that too. It should help you as well. So a pack of 8 retails for ₹99, which I've personally found to be much more affordable as compared to what, you know, I would pay at a local salon. I will share the links in the description box below. Although the Veet ready-to-use wax strips, they are available so commonly these days. You might have even seen them at your local stores, on Amazon, online. It's very easy to find these days, is what I feel. So I will share the link in the description box below if you want to check it out online. And guys, if you still have any questions about waxing and, you know, how to do waxing, or if you have any tips and tricks to share, please share them with me in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. And if you're still watching this video, that means you really like this video, so don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.